Ashley here. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm so excited. I have so much new Pinkfresh Studio stuff to show you. A big mix of like dyes and the new collection and washi. So just a lot of stuff. I'm going to start with some inks that I just got. I do have some of the colors already, but I'm adding a few more pastel colors. So mint, coral reef, which is a super beautiful color, peach fuzz, and soft lilac. So I am just absolutely obsessed with these colors, and will be using them in my stenciling. So now I also got a bunch of, speaking of stencils, I got a bunch of like dies and stencils. So let me show you. I did get this sentiment stamp and die set, so just in time for the holidays. A bunch of really sweet little sentiments are on here, and it also comes with corresponding dies, so I can cut out these big pieces. There is a corresponding hot foil plate for a lot of these as well. I just don't have a hot foil machine yet, although I'm probably going to be convinced very soon here. But anyways, and then they have, so I've shown you this before, you've probably seen it from them before as well, but they do this thing where they'll have a stamp, a corresponding die, and a corresponding stencil. So I have a few of these, and look at how beautiful this image is. This is called Blooming Branch. Also, by the time I'm sharing this video, all this should be available today. As of today, this is their release. So this is the Blooming Branch die. This is the stamp set. It comes with a few little sentiments. It makes stamps out this image, and then here's your 6-piece stenciling set. So it'll help you color in your image using your ink pads, and you can color in this image like quickly and easily using these stencils. So yeah, I'm super excited to play with it. Since I'm recording this video early, I'm going to start playing with it now, and tomorrow I should show you like what I have made from it, and it'll be on my Instagram. So if you're curious to see, because I don't do any like card making or anything, so I'm going to use it on a different kind of project, and if you're curious to see what I make, check it. You can check out my Instagram for the Instagram hop. The second one is Garden Roses. Look at this one. So beautiful. So here's the die, here's the stamp, and here are the 5-piece stenciling set. So you get 5 different stencils. When you use them together, layer them up, it'll help you color in this image. So that's Garden Roses. And then there is the Dahlia bunch. So again, die, 6-piece stencil set, and you get this beautiful image and corresponding stamp set. Just because, let me see, let's get together soon with those sentiments on it. So really fun, those 3 go together. And then if you've seen my washi projects before, you know I absolutely love Pinkfresh Studio washi. Love, love, love this stuff. They are so creative in how they make it. This is their Christmas washi, which is called Poinsettia. And look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty with the gold foiling and everything. So pretty. So I absolutely love this kind of washi, because this also comes with corresponding dies. So you can put that on white cardstock and die cut it out and get like 100 ephemera packs from it. There's also a corresponding stamp set with a couple sentiments on it. And if you don't want to use this color scheme, you can use the stencils and make your own color scheme. So yeah, just so cool, so creative. I do also really like, so I have quite a few of these now that I've used. I do just want to show like the greens of this one was a lot like deeper, and then the greens here are definitely like a little bit more muted and softer, but I do really like that. So you can kind of see like it's really like a little bit softer green here. So it'll just give you a different look. This one definitely is more like summertime. This one was like definitely more springtime. I do like honestly all of them, but I'm really excited to play with these ones. Okay, so that's the washi. Now let's go on to the Christmas collection. Let me move these guys. So this is called Holiday Magic, and they're saying it's their most colorful collection, Christmas collection that they've ever done. That being said, I do just want to show you, like, if you like pastels, which is my personal preference of color scheme, you can get a lot out of this collection too. So I think sometimes when you look at a collection that has a lot of bold colors in it, you just see the bold colors. But I just wanted to show you the B-sides of all these papers real quick all together, so you can kind of see what this looks like from a like softer perspective, if you prefer that. If you prefer traditional colors, there's tons in here for you. So it's pretty versatile in that way, which I really like. Let me just kind of give you an idea here, because I do prefer more. Most of these are the B-side, some of these are the A-side, but most of these are the B-side of these papers, and that's probably the side I'll be using. So here's like what it looks like. So pretty soft and light, and I personally love this like mint, soft blue, pinky color together, like in the bright white. I love it, love, love, love it. So I just wanted to show you that, but I will show all the papers in details here in a sec. Or I guess, why don't we just do that now? And then real quick, I'll just show like, here's the other side, so you can see like how much bolder and brighter the other side looks. But let's go one by one. I have 2 paper packs, so we'll start with this one. Okay, so here is the cover sheet. And we've got this little candy crush kind of paper. Holiday Vibes is what it's called. And then this is the back. This bright yellow paper. Here is the back with a bunch of phrases on it. Love this font a lot. This is a very like common font that they use. It's really pretty, but I like this side a lot. And this side I will use. And then I think this one, yeah, this one's one where I like both sides. I do like the cut aparts on this side. They do have a lot of like bubblegum pink in here too, which is fun. But I do also like this white and black snowflake side a lot too. Then we've got this kind of grid pattern or plaid, and then really pretty like leaves and holly branches and stuff here, and then a really fun rainbow wreath. Really pretty. I love this side too though. Love this pattern and love this color. It's very soft blue. Then a bunch of Christmas gifts, which is really fun for fussy cutting. And then the back is this pretty star pattern. And then this little design here, kind of like snowflakes, I guess. And then the back, also really like this side. And then rainbow stripes. Oops, sorry. And then leaves. Look at this one. I love this one. I will probably fussy cut some of this out. Look at the little pink mitts, the little birds. So cute. So many cute little icons in here. Loving it. But this paper is also super useful. Just simple gray and white, like really good for just like a backdrop of something. And then this colorful brick pattern. I really like this side a lot. Look how funny, look how cute. Santa's workshop, always working 24/7. So cute. Lots of really cute little tickets there. And then it repeats. Does it repeat? Did I show this one yet? No, this is the last one. Okay. This like really bold little swirl candy image, and then the little polka dot on the back. Okay, so those are all the papers. Lots of fun papers in there. And then let's go through this. Look at how cool. They made metallic enamel dots. I absolutely love this. This is so, so cute. And then they also have their standard kind of, you know, matching with the collection enamel dots. I love some of these colors as well. That pink is so pretty. And then there are a few ephemera packs. There's also a 6x6 paper pad. This one is double-sided. I won't do that though. We've got the little puffy stickers. So, so cute. Look at this little gift box, so cute. Look at all this like little candy images. Very cute. This little bow too. Some chipboard frames. Chipboard frames pack. They've got some red alphas here, which is actually, I'm just noticing like their little dots are all actually little diamonds. Cute little detail there. And then look at this. Also, they're just like, they're really going to town with the gold foiling, and I'm absolutely loving it. They've added gold foiling to their cardstock stickers, and it looks so nice. Look at this, like the twinkle lights with the gold foiling on it. It looks so, so, so nice. I love it. This gold foiled frame here. Hopefully you can really see like the shine. It looks so pretty. Love the sizing of these like little tags here. And just like kind of easy shapes to use, easy phrases to use. It's all really, it's perfect for Christmas time. So cute. And then, like I said, there's 3 ephemera packs. So let's go through them. This one is title ephemera. So mostly like all the different phrases and stuff. Here's everything. And let's move these guys around so we can kind of see. Love, sparkle, enjoy the season, joy. Also like how some of these are kind of large, and then there's some like really small ones too, so you get a good like mix of sizes here. Eat, drink, and be merry. So that's what you get in terms of the phrases. Then it looks like there's a whole packet of tags, which that's really cool. This will be perfect for packaging projects. So, look at, oh, this is so cool. This little, it has like cuts on these 2 sides. That's a really cool shape. I haven't seen that shape before. Then like standard tag shapes. This one is also a really cool shape. I like this one. Believe in the magic of Christmas. So much love. This is really, really cool. I love these like some of these like unique shaped tags. I've seen that shape before, but I haven't seen it in a die cut pack, I don't think. This one's also really cool. There's lots of cool stuff in here. So more little tags here. Home for the holidays. Yeah, loads and loads in here. Another little candy icon, gift set. Really cute. Really, really cute. Okay, so that's the tag set. And then there are 24 tags in here. And then the title one had 38 pieces. This one, they're just general ephemera, has 53 pieces in it. Let's go through these. There's like a lot. So it's a little circle guy in there, more little circle shapes, tags, phrases, little globe, so cute. Ooh, so cute, this little envelope, little snowflakes. Oh my gosh, look how cute this little bird guy is, so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, look, this little house, so adorable. Little sleigh. More little pink house there. So cute. So much in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, there's tons in here to play with. That I think is everything. I'm so excited to actually like start making stuff with all of this, everything. I will link where you can find all of this should be, like I said, available now. So I'll link their new release, and then I'll link the Holiday Magic link, everything in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.